Greetings, it is a Sunday, March 9th, 2025. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. F-E-E-D-B-O-K, as opposed to feedback. This will be Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series 60. It's going to have allegorical sea monsters and a portrait of Karen Hunt, which I'm doing from this photograph. She was a 20-year-old student at Syracuse University in upstate New York, and a number of other Syracuse University students were on this flight, PanAm flight, I think it was 103, which blew up over Lockerbie, Scotland in 1988. Some people on the ground, Scottish people, died also in this horrific Libyan government sponsored terrorism attack. And I believe it was in 2015, when Donald Trump was first running for president. He stated that he liked Libyan governmental leader Muammar Qaddafi and Saddam Hussein, also another brutal dictator. Just a perverse and obscene sentiment by newly re-elected President Trump. She had her whole life ahead of her. Anyway, so I just began this in pencil here. A lot more to do. And once the portrait is done in ink, then I'll start the allegorical sea monsters. And it will address Trump either in title and wordage, or perhaps in some visual wordage, we'll see. Okay, thanks, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback again. You're a great art critic, darling. Great art critic. How are we doing, Prime Minister Mossel? Everybody okay over there? Good. Okay, there you have it, to be continued. This is part 1. Sightseeing with Dignity 60.